Alright, hello there, INFOrmed Beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here, and no, I was not digging in my nose when I first started this video. I was just scratching the side of my nose, but by the time I scratched it, the whole thing started to recording, and I really don't feel like redoing the recording or starting over again. Okay, okay, but I wasn't digging in my nose though. Okay. Uh, anyway, so hello, you guys. So today's video is going to be about toners. Why toners are important. Who should use them? Who should use them? Like, what type of skin should be using them? I'm going to share with you guys toners that I use, my favorite toners, and then I guess I'll throw a little bit of how to use a toner into here. But you guys seen me use toners throughout my skincare reviews and routines and all that, but I'm going to throw it in there anyway. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, give your girls a big thumbs up and share me with the world. Okay, so first, if you have not seen my why so many products video and how to build a skincare routine, the basics, I would suggest go checking out those videos first before this one, because you can kind of see a back story as to why this is kind of like rolling out anyway. But I definitely think those videos are informative. They're helpful, especially the building a skincare regimen, the basics, because it just kind of tells you or guides you on what you need to look for depending on your skin type to build your skincare regimen. And it doesn't have to be something that is 11 products. If you see my video, giggle, okay? So you guys, let's go ahead and let's hop into it. So this is going to be a pretty quick, straightforward video. What is the purpose of toner? Why do you use it? So toner is like a second wash, okay? It is what you use after you cleanse your face to remove any type of leftover makeup or dirt. Is what the cleanser has missed, okay? And I can tell you from my own personal experience, every time, especially when I'm wearing makeup, I will cleanse my face twice and I would think my face is super duper clean, and then I will go in with my witch hazel and look at the cotton pad and I'm like, what is that? Why is there, like, what is that brown? What is that? Like that, I just cleansed my face twice. And so that let me know too that when you cleanse your face, you're not really getting everything. So a toner kind of just a toner does go in and it cleans up everything that's left behind, especially if you wear makeup. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys a little story, okay? So my grandmother, rest in peace, bless her heart, she has passed, but my grandmother, she used to use alcohol pads on her face. And I used to be like, what is wrong with her? Like, why is she using that stuff on her face, right? And after you use a alcohol pad on your face, you will look at it and you will see all the residue of what is left, okay? She was on to something, okay? She was on to something even before I was on to it, okay? And so witch hazel was kind of the same thing. Now, I'm just going to talk about witch hazel because it's one of my favorites currently. But witch hazel, the one that I buy from CVS, does have alcohol in it. It has about 4% alcohol or something like that. It does have alcohol in it. So it all makes sense. Like, okay, you know, it just cleans up the extra, whatever else is left on the skin. So I always used to wonder why my grandmother did that. But now I get it, okay? Some things we don't get when we're younger and we're like, that's weird. And then you get older and you figure out what it is eventually, right? So that was interesting. And so I've seen that way before I even knew what the heck was going on, okay? But that just gets any of that extra stuff off the face, okay? So what was my next point? I lost my train of thought mid video. Just poof, be gone. So wait, let me reword. Okay, so witch hazel. Okay, so also it balances the skin, so it can balance the skin out. If you have some pH issues, it can help to balance out the skin. Also, depending on your skin type, can everyone use toner, I guess you can say. And I would say witch hazel, you can't go wrong. I mean, with witch hazel, it's an all-purpose, anyone can use it, or any skin type, I feel. And so that would be really great for you to use every day, just to extra clean, balance. It shrinks pores as well, toners. So that would be something that would be really helpful. Now, if you are somebody like me who has oily skin and suffers from acne, let me show y'all. Hold on. This big disgusting pimple that I just, it's been haunting me. Like, look at that. I have never in my life had a pimple last so long. Like, it's been probably about a month, and I don't want to like go in and do too much with it because I don't want it to scar, and I already squeezed it and it's already seemed to be, girl, pimple from, or zit from hell. Okay, so if you're somebody like me who deals with those type of things, I would suggest something that's a little bit more medicated. Okay, something that has salicylic acid in it, benzoyl peroxide, but not really, because you guys know I really don't like using those things on my face. But those are options for you guys out there, as well as like tea tree oil. I love tea tree oil, but you want to use an astringent that is going to not only cleanse the rest of the face, but also help to fight any bacteria and anything that may be causing you to have breakouts. Okay, so that's another thing. So that's pretty much the rundown on toners. And anyone can use it. It's just depending on your skin. I would say if you have more problematic skin, go for something that's a little bit more medicated that will help you fight those, you know, pesky little pimples and breakouts and stuff. You guys can see my hurt, right? I'm like, this pimple, it gotta go. It gotta go. And then I think just for the average person, whether you're oily, whether you're dry, whether you're whatever, daily, use some witch hazel. Okay, after toner, is very important to moisturize, because toners can dry out the skin a little bit. They can dry out the skin. A lot of them have either alcohol in them or something like that, or they're either more like, you know, witch hazel based. So I always say moisturize after applying a toner. So how should you use a toner? So you should use a toner after you cleanse your face. Take a cotton pad or a cotton round. Put a little bit on the cotton round, and you can just go ahead. Now, there are people who do differently. Some people dab it into the face. I like to swipe. I 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 swipe. Okay, and that's it. And then you just go ahead, apply your moisturizer. You're done. Okay. I use toner probably once to twice a day. It just depends on my skin. I more so use toner in the morning, more in the morning than I do at night. That's just me. There's no real reason to that. That's just how it works out for me usually. And at night, if I feel like I need a little bit of something else, then I would usually tone a little bit. Okay. So currently, what am I using? What are my toners that I'm using? I'm going to share that with you guys. First and foremost, witch hazel. Hands down, witch hazel. It's simple. It's natural. It does the job. It tones the face. Witch hazel. Can't go wrong with it. Okay. Secondly, I have been trying this Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. You guys have seen this from my Hello Ava review. I will leave a link down below. It's the Smart Skincare Consultant, where you can talk to an esthetician and get your real, you know, and get help with picking out products for your skin type. And so that is what I'm using too. You guys can see I'm actually working my way through it, and I actually do like it a lot. So I'm really, really excited about that. And I will have a review on it as well. And also, lastly, I'm not using this as much. This is the Shea Moisture Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist. It's not something that I grab for a lot, because this is more for redness, more red prone. And I am red prone at times. You guys have seen it in my makeup tutorials, my skincare tutorials. You guys have seen me be red, but I'm not really concerned about that. I'm more concerned about the people living on my face right here. You know what I mean? So I usually more so grab, you know, the witch hazel or the tonic for my toner. But I used this last night because, you know, I don't like the waste products at all. So I did use this last night on my face before going to sleep. And so, yeah, I mean, it's nice, it's cool, but it doesn't really target my skincare needs at the moment. Okay. And that's one thing about toners and skincare across the board, you want to target what you are going for when looking for toners, moisturizers, cleansers, all of that, okay? But that is pretty much what a toner is, my favorite toners to use, how to use it. If you have any questions, you guys can always ask me down in the comment box. I will surely answer for you. If you guys have anything that you want to add to this conversation, like do you use toners? Do you not like toners? Do you have a favorite toner that you must have? Go to the store, grab them all off of the shelf and throw them in your basket. Like, what is it? Do you have any other information about toners that you want to share with us? Like, let me know down below in the comment box. I learned a lot from you guys, and I like that we are able to kind of cross information one another. And so yes, with that being said, you guys, make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. All right, bye.